Hello students, in this video we will solve NCERT exercise questions for physics. So let's start today's session, chapter 10, light, light reflection and refraction, reflection and refraction. Here is our question number 1. Which one of the following material cannot be used to make a lens? Water, glass, plastic, clay. Option D will be correct, clay. Because clay can't show the property of refraction. They can't allow a light to pass through it. Hence, we can't use clay as a lens. Plastic, glass, water, all of them can allow light to pass through it. Hence, these three materials are used, can be used to make lens. Hence, our option will be D, clay. Next question number 2. The image found by a concave mirror is observed to be virtual, erect, and larger than the object. Where should be the position of object? Let's draw the diagram for this. We have to draw a concave mirror like this. This is principal axis. This will be pole, focus, and center of curvature. Okay. If we put object at if we put object between pole and focus, then if light, a ray of light goes parallel to the principal axis, then it will be reflected from the focus. If a ray goes from center of curvature, then it will reflect from the same point. Here we can see both ray of light can't meet. Then we can draw a line diagram like means lights are appearing to meet behind the mirror. Hence we can find a virtual image and erect image behind the mirror in concave mirror. And position of all object will be between focus and pole. Here is only one position by which we can get a virtual image in concave mirror. So option D will be correct, between the pole of mirror and its principal focus. Let's see question number 3. Where should an object be placed in front of convex lens to get real image of the size of the object? We have to draw convex lens. We have to draw a convex lens like here is principal axis. This point is called optical point O. Here is F1. Here is 2F. then its image, then its image can form if light goes parallel to the principal axis. It will reflect from F2, and if ray of light goes from optical curve, then it will go straight. And we can find our image at this point. Means at double of focus. At double of focus. If we put object at 2f1, then we can get image at 2f2. And image will be real and equal size of the object. Then option B will be correct. At twice the focal length. A spherical mirror and a thin spherical lens have each a focal length of -15 cm. Then the mirror and lens is likely to be both concave. In concave mirror, direction of focus will be in the negative direction, or if we draw x-axis, y-axis. Okay. This is x-axis minus x, y-axis minus y-axis. Then if we put center at here, then focus is in the negative direction from the center. Then focus will be negative. Same thing in concave lens. This curve has center of curvature in this direction, then focus will be in this direction, same direction. It is also in the negative direction, hence it has also focal length in negative, minus. Means both in concave mirror and concave lens, both has negative focal length. Next question. Question number 5. No matter how far you stand from a mirror, your image appears erect. The mirror is likely to be. It can be plane, only concave. It can be concave, but there is only one condition in concave mirror, so that we can find a erect image. If image is erect, then it will be imaginary, virtual. It will be virtual image. Only convex, yes, it can be convex, either plane or convex. This option will be correct. Mirror can be plane mirror or convex mirror. In both mirror, we must have to find a virtual image. Then option D will be correct. We can draw a ray diagram for this. Let's see what are the ray diagram. In plane mirror, like this, if we place an object here, then it will form image behind the mirror in the opposite direction behind the mirror and same size with the object. And in the convex mirror,